Today we're checking out these low profile Ventvisor window deflectors in matte black for the front of the 2015 and newer F-150 Super Crew. If you're looking for a slick way to let air flow in and keep the rain out while maintaining a clean, low drag look, this upgrade is definitely worth checking out. These Ventvisors are designed to mount flush with the window frame, offering one of the lowest profiles available so they don't stick out or interfere with that style. They allow fresh air circulation when your windows are cracked while helping keep rain, snow, and wind noise to a minimum. These are really useful for venting the cab out on those hot days or during some light showers. This is made from impact-resistant acrylic and they're scratch and UV resistant, meaning that they're gonna keep looking good on your truck for years to come. This matte black finish is gonna help them blend with the factory trim and resist showing any road grime over time. Installation is super simple. They just stick right on with the pre-applied 3M automotive grade adhesive tape, and that means no drilling or modifications. It's a really easy install process. Just make sure that you clean and prep those surfaces really well for the best adhesion. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install here in a minute. When it comes to construction, these deflectors are molded from very durable acrylic with reinforced edges to prevent cracking over time. They're precision cut to match the contour of the doors opening perfectly, so the fit is tight and seamless. The seals or lip edges help prevent water from seeping in behind the visor, and the adhesive base is designed to hold strong through heat cycles and weather exposure over time. As far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right around that mid $100 price range for the front pair. For a stylish, functional, and easy to install accessory, these are sitting at a very fair price point in my opinion. Installation is rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have these installed in 10 minutes or less of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're gonna give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
What's up guys? Today we're gonna be installing some window deflectors on our F-150. There are no tools required for this job, so let's get started. Now these wind deflectors are meant to ride along the outside of your windowsill right on the edge of your door. So what we're gonna do is peel off our lower mounting point here, is just a cover, and then we're going to take back the edges of our upper adhesive. We're not going to peel it all the way off because we want to get it centered in place. That's just going to help us hold it. Once we get it in place, we'll peel the entire cover off and stick it down. So we'll peel our bottom cover off, and again we're just going to take a couple inches back on our top one. Once you get that back, you want to fold it to the outside so you can reach it. We'll do the same thing for this edge. We're going to line this up. This front leading little tab is going to go inside of our mirror edge. That's just going to help us align everything. And we want this to come flush with the back of the door. Stick right on there. Does need to come up a hair. And once you're happy with your fitment and you got your edges on, you can grab your adhesive cover and just peel that back a bit. And you just want to work this along the edge of the door, firmly pressing as you go. That one more firm press. So now we're going to do our rear window. It's pretty much the same concept. So we have 2 lower tabs, one at the rear and one at the front. So again, we're going to remove those, remove a couple inches off the upper edge, stick it in place, and do the same thing we did for the front window. So peel these off. Again, make sure you fold these to the outside or the upper edge so you can access them. And we'll get this in place. Now we're going to line this one up on our rear door with our front visor. Just lightly press that on. Same thing at the back. Peel and press. And once you have this side on, you can repeat the same process for the other side. Alrighty folks, that about wraps up our review and install of our low-profile Ventvisor window deflectors for the front and rear in matte black finish of your 15 to current F-150 Super Crew. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.